Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make a quick, healthy and flavorful Zobo drink. So shall we? Let's get right into it. So to make this drink, I'll be transferring some hibiscus leaf into the pot. I've actually rinsed it from dust and dirt. Next, I'll be adding some lemon slice and cinnamon stick as well for flavor and nutrients. I'll also be adding cloves and ginger. This will help to take the flavor of our Zobo to a whole new level. So I'll be adding enough water into the pot, then gently mix everything together just to make sure that the hibiscus leaf is properly immersed in the water. Then cover and allow to simmer on medium heat. Next, I'll be transferring some watermelon cubes into the blender. For Zobo, you can choose to use any fruits of your choice like pineapple, apple, orange, cucumber, just any fruit option of your choice. I'll also be adding little ginger and dates that are soaked overnight. This will actually act as an external sweetener. I also have powdered cloves here. I'll be adding little. Remember, I also added cloves to the pot before steaming up the hibiscus leaf. So I'll be adding water into the blender in order to aid the blending process, then cover and allow to blend properly. After blending, I'll be straining the puree through this fine sieve in order to get the juice. So I'll just discard the chaff, then set the juice aside. So back to my stovetop, our hibiscus have been cooking for about 20 minutes now, and it has released its nutrients and color. So I'll just turn off the heat, then take it off from the heat and allow it to cool down. After about 10 minutes, our Zobo has cooled down a little bit, so I'll be straining it through this fine sieve in order to get the drink. So please, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Joy by name, and in this channel I share recipes on how to make a healthy meal, juice and also smoothies. So please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new amazing recipes like this. Do ensure you like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much guys. So I'm done straining. Remember the juice we made earlier on? I'll also be transferring it into the Zobo. I also have little honey here. I'll be adding it for more flavor and nutrients. Then mix everything together. And that's it guys. Our Zobo drink, it's pretty much ready. Thank you very much for watching guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.